Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to include videos in backup chats on your WhatsApp. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your WhatsApp. Now click on three dots and go to settings. Now scroll down. Now here you can see the option of chats. Press on this. Now scroll down. Go to Chat Backup. If you want to include your videos in your chat backup, then you just have to turn on the button and press on Backup. That's it. So this is how to include videos in backup chat on your WhatsApp. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.